Hey guys, what's up? It's your Scentsy Star Director here, Angie Tallarico Dalton. Today's video is going to be my unboxing of the April 2022 Scent and Warmer of the Month. I'm so excited. But before we dive in, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because I would love if you would. And also I have a Wickless weekly email newsletter that I create that goes out every Thursday and then some exciting days in between with a special perk for new subscribers. Also, if you never want to miss a beat in the Scentsy world, please just text Wickless to this number right here and it will subscribe you to a Wickless Charm VIP text. Okay guys, that's it. We have one of the cutest warmers ever, so let's just go ahead and dive on in. So, being a Scentsy consultant, we are spoiled from Scentsy. Every month, Scentsy gives us the opportunity to purchase a scent and or warmer of the month kit early before those monthly specials actually release. So that gives us time to get the order in. We can test out the upcoming scent of the month. We can make samples out of it. We can take pictures of the warmer. We can share the warmer. We can gather our opinions to let you know if we think that you are going to like the upcoming specials. But this kit is also a big discount versus like the retail value of what's actually inside, and it also counts towards our sales. So technically we get paid to purchase it. So if you have ever been thinking about joining Scentsy, even just to be your own consultant and like get the perks like that, or like the early access, the discount, stuff like that, the $25 join kit is available still in March, only in March, and then the $25 kit will be going away probably for another year or so. So definitely be looking into the $25 join special. I will have that video linked down below. But in that join special, you get a warmer, and then you get a bar, and you get a little bit more business materials, but you get signed up as a consultant to give you the access to these kits and all the perks that consultants have. But back to this, the scent and warmer of the month kit, it includes, we get a pack of the monthly specials flyers, which you may see in my mail outs if you order online from my website. And then we also get a pack of the rub and sniff stickers of the upcoming scent of the month. We get 8 Scentsy bars of the scent of the month. I've actually already warmed one of these because I couldn't wait. And I really liked it. So this scent of the month is really, really good. And then we also get the warmer of the month if we choose to get the warmer of the month combo kit. So let's open up this pack of flyers and let's talk about the scent first. I always like to talk about the scent first and save the warmer for last. But this is April 2022, and the scent of the month for April is Ruby Nectarine. Come on, focus. There we go. Ruby Nectarine. And it is a fruity fragrance. It's in the fruity fragrance family. And the scent description is juicy nectarine and ruby apple blended with pear blossom put a fresh spin on fruity. The top notes are ruby apple, sweet agave, and honey nectar. The mid notes are bright yuzu, juicy nectarine, and pear blossom. And the base notes are purple aster, fruity woods, and soft jasmine musk. So there's a lot of new words in my vocabulary in those scent notes. But this scent is a fruity scent, and I really like this. I really like this scent. It kind of reminds me of something that I can't put my tongue on. But it's just a very good nectarine, apple, pear blossom fragrance. It is fruity, but it's also very fresh, and it's very good for like springtime. So I actually warmed just one bar of this in the master bedroom because I really wanted to warm this, and I had it mixed with like Big Hero 6 is in the entryway, and then I have Turning Red in the living room. I just wanted like a good fruity mix throughout the whole house. So now I'm actually going to warm 2 to 3 of these. I want to like warm it throughout the whole house because I want to see my opinion on it. But it was very nice in the bedroom. It had a very good performance. It was very fruity, but it wasn't overpowering. And it's a very, very great scent. So this is Ruby Nectarine. It's going to be available as a Scentsy bar, a room spray, and a scent circle, all at 10% off starting April 1st. And we will be able to add this bar to our Scentsy Club for Always Get My Bar. So if you fall in love with this scent and you don't think you could ever live without it, and you can't stock up on it, like get you a stockpile started, just go ahead and add it to club on the 1st, and then you will forever get it in your club order thanks to the always get my bar option. So the star of the show today is the warmer of the month, sorry. The warmer of the month for April is Desert Bloom. Look how flipping cute it is. It's heavy. It feels very luxe. It feels very, very luxe. It feels like it feels very bougie. Like it feels like a good product. Like it feels like something I'd be getting my money for. Getting my money out of. Like it feels nice. It doesn't feel cheap or, too lightweight or anything. And every petal was hand placed on this warmer, which is something very cool to know. So the Desert Bloom warmer, it says this sweet little succulent adds a touch of nature to any decor. No green thumb required. It's 3 inches tall. It has a reactive glaze finish, which you can see up close. The finish of this warmer, it's ceramic, and it is an element warmer. So it actually doesn't use a bulb. It has a heating plate on the inside that is actually going to melt the wax with the red on button, so you'll know whenever it's actually turned on. It has a round clear dish, and it has a 4 on the center, meaning that Scentsy recommends you can use up to 4 regular bar Scentsy cubes to maximize your scent experience. So in this warmer, I would definitely use 3 to 4, and 2 would also be pretty good if you have it like in a small space. This warmer is going to be a $55 warmer, but since it's the April warmer of the month, you're going to be able to get it 10% off only in April. So in April, it's going to be available for $49.50. So I gotta go find a place. I was so excited for this warmer. I'm so excited. I have recently become a plant mother, and now I am all about my plants. I take care of my plants. They all have names, they all have personalities, and they're all thriving, so that's good. I haven't killed any of them yet, but yeah. So this is a plant that you can display in your house. No green thumb required, sorry. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I think I want to put it in the entryway. I don't know exactly. I got to figure out where I'm going to put it. But this is Desert Bloom. But yeah, guys, those are the April specials. So I will be doing a pre-order for these items. I will be placing the order on April 1st. If you would like to pre-order the scent and or the warmer of the month, then please just fill out the Google form links down below. And I will reach out to you and finalize your order. But that's it. I'm super excited for these. And yeah. Leave in the comments what's your opinion. Are you excited to smell the scent? It's really good. I really like the scent. So, but that's it. Thank you for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me, and have a great day.